Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore one of the most exciting topics in science, physical and chemical changes in matter. Matter is everything around us. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, even our own bodies. But matter does not always stay the same. It keeps changing. Sometimes the change is small and temporary. Other times, it is big and permanent. To understand this better, scientists classify changes into two types: physical changes and chemical changes. A physical change is a change in which the substance looks different, but its chemical composition remains the same. Right finger, for example. Ice melting into water. Solid changes into liquid, but it is still hydrogen oxide. Water boiling into steam. Liquid changes into gas, but the substance is still water. Dissolving sugar or salt in water. The particles mix, but the substance is unchanged. These are reversible changes, which means you can bring back the original form. You can freeze water back into ice, or evaporate water to get sugar back. Other examples of physical changes are cutting, folding, breaking, or crushing. Even if you cut paper into tiny pieces, it is still paper. Pushpin key point. In a physical change, no new substance is formed. Now, let's look at chemical changes. A chemical change is a change in which one or more new substances are formed. These new substances have properties that are completely different from the original ones. Right finger, for example. Burning a candle. The wax burns and turns into carbon dioxide and water vapor. The melted wax is physical, but burning is chemical. Burning paper. Paper turns into ash and smoke, which are new substances. You cannot get back the paper. Rusting of iron. Iron reacts slowly with oxygen and moisture in the air to form a reddish-brown substance called rust. Rust is completely different from iron. Cooking food. When we cook rice, vegetables, or baked bread, new substances are formed. That's why raw food can never be changed back to its original form. Curdling of milk. Bacteria change milk into curd. Fireworks produce light, sound, heat, and new substances. Pushpin key point. In chemical changes, new substances are formed, and the process is usually irreversible. Understanding physical and chemical changes is very useful in our daily lives. Engineers use this knowledge to make materials stronger. Chefs use it while cooking food. Doctors use it in medicines. So, remember, physical change, appearance changes, no new substance. Chemical change, new substance with new properties is formed. Next time you see ice melt, bread toast, or iron rust, you'll know exactly what type of change it is. That's all for today's lesson on physical and chemical changes. Keep observing the world around you, and you'll find science everywhere.